So very warm good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Well, fine. What
Okay.
about you?
Great. In this session I just would like to ask you some questions which you have to answer, okay, with your confidence level. So firstly I just would like to ask you, what is your name
My name is Anya Verma.
and what is your name?
My name is Sanshika Goswami.
Okay. Can you explain, like, can you tell me about yourself proper?
I'm currently passing my 12th class,
Okay.
and currently I'm pursuing BSc first year from the Khalsa College.
Okay. Nice. And you, ma'am?
I am pursuing BA B.Ed integrated course from Rohtak, Maharishi Dayanand University.
Okay. Your name is
Anya Verma.
Anya Verma. So Anya, my first question to you, that what do you do in your free time?
So, in free time, there is not um, in free time mostly I'm using my plant, go in my roof and do planting and grow and check my compost that I made with myself in my home, and sometimes I cooking. This is not a currently, that means I always do I don't do the same work hobbies in my free time. It's depend on my mind,
Okay.
that what can I do.
Nice. So, okay. So generally we talk about the uh, study, about our education. So I just want to ask you, who is your favorite teacher and why?
Okay. So my favorite teacher is my Mrs. Mehsvi ma'am in my school. She is favorite my because in my 11th class I used to go in new school, and in the new school I didn't know about the school rule regulations, and from where I took the books and what the syllabus and where the staff rooms, to how to know the who are the teachers of subjects, to know the time periods and what the time. So the teacher, she Mesvin ma'am, comes with me and taught the all the things that how can you do this or whatever. All the she cleared my all doubts,
Oh, nice.
and
Nice. In
still
which
she
class? In which class?
in 11th class.
In 11th class.
Yes.
Okay. And he's a teacher of
English
English.
English
She used to
literature.
teach English.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
And still she's connect with me.
Okay, so every day you talk to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So, okay, so we study and we want to do something. So, what is your dream job, if you want? If I would like to ask you.
Okay, so my dream job is CGL, income tax officer.
Okay, why do you want to become?
Income tax officer because my mind is that okay, I want in my future I want earn money, more
You,
money,
you just want to earn money.
and more money.
Okay.
Just not money, more money.
Okay.
And I love the uniform.
But if you want to earn money, you can do business. That.
Yes, business is also in my mind, but the uniform, and the
But
proud.
in CGL, if you talk about the income tax officer, in I think so that according to me, in a year they wear the uniform.
Yeah.
So why not you can join Delhi Police, that you can always wear the uniform.
But there's a different thing.
Okay, nice. Okay, so which subject is your favorite?
So currently, my favorite subject is also biology.
Okay.
I find my interest in biology since in class 6,
Okay.
because I love to study living organism, human brains, human body system, and it's very interesting to.
You are the
study.
science student.
Yes, I'm science student.
Okay, with bio.
Yes.
Oh my God, it is very tough.
No.
You have math also.
No, I don't have maths because biology have it's also very vast subject.
Oh my God, that.
So
okay.
I don't choose the math subject.
Okay, you complete your 12th class with biology.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. That's okay. So, lady, what did you do? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I'm going market with my father,
Okay.
and yes, festivals are coming, so I bought some new clothes,
Okay.
new
So
rangoli
did you
colors,
purchase some new clothes on Diwali? Okay. What did you purchase?
aesthetic, some jeans, new tops,
Okay.
and yes, some accessories also.
So now Diwali time is going on. That
Yeah.
that you are happy, that you are excited to celebrate.
Yes, I'm very excited to celebrate Diwali.
Mm. Okay. Nice. 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 Okay. Okay, I just want to ask you simple. What makes a person successful in life?
So, successful in life. So, first of all, a person who want to successful in life, he have the goal to when the people have the goal, so it's easy to him or her that they go for the correct way. So number first is goal achieving. They have the fixed timetable to set schedule to complete the goal, or he have the time management capability, and by this starting terms they used to successful in the life.
Okay. So, can you cook also?
Yes, I'm
Oh,
cooking.
what you can cook?
Um, I'm cooking very many dishes in my right now.
Like which one is your favorite, and which one you can make a very confidence?
The bhindi.
Oh, bhindi. Okay.
Bhindi.
Can you explain the recipe of bhindi that which you
Okay.
make?
So my mama is teaching me how to cook the
Lady finger.
lady finger.
Okay, but you can call it bhindi. That we can understand. Sure.
Okay. How to cook? So first I cut the onions and the bhindi, and after cutting the vegetables, I used to in a pan, and then put the oil, jeeras, and some mixed spices in the oil. After the heat, after they cook, I put the bhindi and the pyaz in it, and after 15 to 20 minutes, the bhindi is ready.
Okay, that's
It's very easy.
It's easy. Okay.
But now, whenever my mamas know that I cook it very well, so now whenever in my home bhindi is coming, so it's on make my.
Okay, nice. So, how do you handle the stress that you are only just 12th class pass
Yeah.
out? Nowadays, the time is getting changed. That if we talk about the era, it is the like you can totally AI era. That
Yeah.
okay. So stress comes because demand is very high, the jobs are very less. So how
Yes, sir.
you handle the stress?
So stress, as I study in my 12th class in exams, I handle my stress like whenever I study, 45 minutes I study.
Every day.
In exam times, like it's a term like duration for 45 minutes. After the study, I took the break 15 minutes. I
Oh,
take the break
okay.
15 minutes, and in 15 minutes I do meditation. I wash my face and I walk in my roof to relax my mind or stress. And after the 15 minutes, or I set the timer also in my mobile phone and start the study.
Okay, nice, beautiful. So now may I ask you some questions, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your favorite color? Just I would like to ask. Normally, color.
Color. My favorite color is black.
Okay.
I love black color, black beauty.
Okay, Black Beauty.
Yes.
Black Beauty, you have to go to West Indies.
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay, that's it's a, just a funny question. Is that okay? So I just would like to tell me about what is your name?
Anshika Goswami.
Tell us something about Ansika Goswami which we don't know.
Which you don't know.
Yeah, absolutely right. Something secret, something. Naughty
I am
things.
very childish girl and too talkative, but you don't know. You think that I am less talkative girl.
Okay. So, do you have any memory where when you got surprised in your life? Any memory that?
Not surprised, but I have so many memories about my childhood. Like I am very protective to my brother. So once when we both go to the tuition, our teacher sit on the bed and she डांटने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Scold.
She scolded my brother. So I am very angry.
I got angry.
I got angry and I bite her leg thumb.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That.
Then she was surprised.
Oh my god. That you are not surprised. That
Yes, sir,
was
she was
surprised.
surprised.
Okay. Okay. What is more important, money and happiness?
I think happiness is more important because when we are happy, we get achieve anything.
but according to me, money is not everything. Money can buy you the things, but not the happiness.
Okay, nice. Okay, what kind of leader do you want to become? Leader means that in a job profile, in anywhere, that personality.
Happily and always feel people's in front of me that they are say anything in front of me, I can't judge them. So this type of leader I want to
Okay,
be.
so when you do anything else, what thing makes you like unhappy?
Can you repeat this?
Whenever you get stressed, whenever, like in any condition, that what thing makes you unhappy?
When my parents talk about my marriage.
Oh my god. Okay, so you don't want to marry,
Not right now.
but in future, that okay, so you are the one girl that who is saying that I can marry that, but after some time.
Yes, sir.
So what the problem with that? Your
Sir,
parents, what they want?
they want to marry me with a rich guy or maybe a simple family,
Hmm.
but I want to be successful first.
Okay, so how you manage time?
Sir, I don't have much time because I am also teaching and also coming here to learn English. So I don't have much time, but yes, at night I study at 11 to 1 a.m. So yeah, that's how I manage my time.
Okay, nice. So I just want to ask you one simple question to you. What would you do if you become the Prime Minister of India? That do you have any like choice? Do you have any like dream that you will do something that for country, not for yourself or not for your families?
Sir, first is the paper leak system and marriage system, dowry system. There are so many things that I want to
Remove.
block,
Remove.
remove. Yes.
That's nice. Okay, very good. Okay, so you want to travel somewhere else?
Yes, sir.
You want to travel
Yes,
where?
Vrindavan,
Why?
because Vrindavan is my favorite place where I meet my Kanha ji.
Okay, you are devotee.
Yes, sir.
Nice, that's okay. So, okay, last time when did you visit Vrindavan?
In April.
In April with family members.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how was your journey?
My journey was great. Yes,
Fabulous.
I visit lots of temple there and also the Yamuna Ji Ghat. So I
Okay.
enjoyed the time over there.
Oh my God, that. Okay, so when you reach there, whenever you reach there, that what do you feel there?
I forgot anything, any stress, and forgot anything. I only
Everything.
enjoy, yes, everything.
Okay, nice, very good, pretty well. That. So, what is your dream? That if I ask you again that one question, what do you want to do in your life?
I want to be a teacher, that type of teacher that students never hesitate in front of me. They
Okay.
can easily ask questions and
Family teacher you want to become.
yes, sir.
Oh, very good, nice. But if you give more freedom to student, they will start pulling your leg.
No, sir. Sir, a limitation is also important. So yeah,
Okay, I can take her last opinion. So I just want to ask you why English is important for us.
English is-
Spoken, not I'm talking about the like subjective English. I'm talking about the language.
Because in the India we say, and we if we talk only Hindi, so it is not um, not helpful to, but we can only speak only India. And if we want to become high or to go outside, so we have to know other language. And I think English is the best language to learn in India, if we live in India, so that we talk about the foreign pupils also, and we know about the AI or ChatGPT in also. So there is only in English, there is no any Hindi to study the subjects, or so we I think English is important.
Okay, yes, ma'am. You. Why?
Sir, I think English is important because people might judge you that you are nothing if you don't know English. So yeah, English is important in schools also. Our teacher priority first to English students, then to Hindi, rather
Okay.
than Hindi students.
This is the different question. Different answer. I got that. Okay, nice.
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
please.
Clapping for them. Okay. Now next. Firstly, I just would like to ask your name. What is your name?
My name is Tanisha.
And what is your name?
My name is Soni Avasti.
Oh, Soni Avasti. Okay. So I just would like to ask you, Vastanisa. Okay. Why do you want to learn English?
English because I want to be a cabin crew and I have to give interview a lot of interviews. So in that English is very important. So you must have to answer in English. That is why I'm learning English.
Okay. Then why you are learning English?
Sir, in 2025, so English is most important according to Hindi. In every field, English is more important.
Very good. Excellent.
And
So Tanisha, we can start with you. Okay, if we, in this session, I just would like to ask you a simple question to you.
Okay, sir.
What is your favorite color?
Favorite color? My favorite color is black.
Why?
I love black. I don't know, but black is my favorite color.
Okay, so you come from Uttarakhand.
Yeah, I'm from Uttarakhand.
Okay, so tell us something about Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand, it's very beautiful and you can visit a lot of places in Uttarakhand. It's very rich in heritage like forest, river, hill stations like Nainital and Mussoorie. And personally, I love one thing about Uttarakhand, and that is the people of Uttarakhand. They are very kind and supportive. And other thing which I love is the sweet of Uttarakhand. That's my favorite.
Okay. And what don't you like in Uttarakhand?
Don't I like? I think there are less job opportunities, so that poor people have to like
Migrate.
migrate a lot. They face a lot of challenges. That's
Okay, that's nice thing is that. So do you like any movie?
movie. I love a lot of movie.
Which one is your favorite movie?
Not movie, series. I
You
love
go-
watching series.
Which series that can you tell?
Nowadays, I'm watching How I Met Your Mother, and it's my favorite series.
Oh my god, nice. So who is your favorite yes.
My favorite character is Robin. She is very independent, a strong woman, and career focused. I also try to apply her qualities in my personal life too.
You want to adopt
Yeah,
it?
I want to be like her.
Oh my god, that you are only just adopting her ideology, that you are adopting her also body language also.
Yeah, body language also.
My body language.
Yeah, I analyze everything: body language, gestures, expressions, and all that.
Okay, very good. So who is your favorite friend and when did you meet?
My favorite friend, she's from my Palak. Her name is Palak, and we often meet and weekends. We spend a lot of time together. She also knows stitching, so she sometimes teach me that. Her mother is also very good at cooking, so whenever I went at her house, she used to make a lot of dishes for us. We click a lot of pictures, play games. Yeah,
Okay, when did you meet?
on weekends.
No, meet means that first time.
First time when I was in 6th standard.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, that where did you complete your education? Schooling.
I completed my 10th grade from a private school, and then I completed my 12th from government school.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Nice that. Do you like to travel?
Travel, yeah, I love
If
traveling.
you get a chance to travel in whole world, in which country you would like to go?
I would love to visit Japan.
Why do you want to go to Japan?
Japan, I love Japan, and it's very fascinating. The culture, the food, the way
But they
people
eat more corn flour.
corn flour.
Yeah,
Okay. I don't know, but I would love to try sushi and matcha.
sushi.
Yeah,
and matcha.
matcha.
But in India also the Chinese restaurant is available.
But I want to try there.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
available in India.
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
that
it's
you can
available,
go
but I
there.
want to go there and try there.
Okay, that you just want to explore the Japan. Okay, nice. That's nice. So, okay, money and time. Which one is important?
Money and time.
Which one is more
In between money and time, I would choose time.
time? Why?
Time because if you manage your time and if you work hard according to your plans and your time, that's how you will able to get money.
Hmm.
So, yeah. So hard work and money is very important.
Okay. What kind of food do you like to
What?
eat? What kind of food do you like?
Food.
To eat? Yeah. Spicy, non-spicy,
Yeah,
Chinese,
spicy,
non-Chinese,
spicy,
like
spicy.
vegetarian. Chai,
Spicy food I love.
spicy
Noodles
food.
and all that. Yeah.
Noodle. That you come from the Uttarakhand, so
Yeah,
maybe that
Uttarakhand
noodles.
Maggie is very famous.
They everywhere you can find that Maggie is available. That people are selling Maggie 80 rupees, 100 rupees per plate also. But why? But this is a corn flour. That why do you want to eat it?
I don't eat it daily. I eat it sometimes because I also know that it's harmful for our health.
Okay, nice. Okay, so now I can ask you a question. So very warm good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so I just want to ask you. Tell us, where do you live?
I currently live in Ghaziabad.
Okay, gotcha. So you are living in joint family, nuclear family.
Recently, recently
Nuclear family.
nuclear family, but in my hometown, everyone live.
Okay, so I just want to ask you, how many members are in your family?
4 member in my family, me and my parents and my brother.
Okay, what does your brother do?
My brother do animation,
Anim-
ADMA,
Okay.
Advanced Multimedia Animation
Okay.
in Delhi.
And what does your brother do? Father do?
My father is a businessman, transport,
Very good, excellent.
and my mother is a housewife.
Very good, excellent, superb. So, and what do you want to do?
I'm currently in my college last year
Hmm.
in law student,
Hmm.
and my dream is IPS officer, but now it's not possible. So I'm happy with my SI.
Okay, you want to become a SI in Uttar Pradesh Police?
Yes.
Okay, why Uttar Pradesh, not Delhi Police?
The first is my height.
Okay, height.
And yes, sir.
Hmm.
Second is CPO in age, general age is 25,
Okay.
and vacancy is not come.
Hmm.
UPSI form is started,
Okay.
so I will prepare there.
As well as I think so that you are also preparing
But
for the
one
advocate. LLB, or you are pursuing LLB.
yes, last year in December of January's result come.
Okay. Okay. So if we talk about your food, what kind of food do you like to eat?
I love country food.
Okay.
Litti chokha.
Litti chokha. Oh my god.
It's my favorite.
Okay.
And fry rice.
Fried rice. Litti chokha, that I heard that. Okay, nice. I didn't eat litti chokha, but I heard about too much that people are
Tasty.
talking.
Stew taste.
My mouth
Amazing
is
food.
watering that. I don't have knowledge about litti chokha. But I
But
heard
you
about
try.
that people eat litti chokha with the chicken and
No,
fish
no.
also.
No.
Only vegetables.
Veg. Yes.
Okay. Rice they eat with. In Bihar
I think
areas
Bihar
and
side.
in Bihar areas and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. They not eat litti chokha in Rajasthan.
No. Litti chokha is Bihar.
Okay.
Dal. nahi.
Dal bhat.
Dal bhati is
Dal bhati. Okay.
Rajasthan.
Dal bhati is popular in Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
And litti chokha from Bihar.
Bihar.
And Uttar Pradesh also.
Haan,
Some
Bihar.
region of the Uttar Pradesh.
Nearest
also.
state.
Borders areas.
Borders.
Very good, very good. So every week you eat litti chokha, like
No,
in a monthly.
I will go college.
Okay. So there's any stall is there?
Yes, Ghaziabad side. RD.
Okay.
RDC.
Stall is there.
Yes.
And okay, it is a very famous. RD.
RDC.
You can give me the address. I can also try
Of
to
course.
eat litti
You
chokha.
know Ghaziabad Court,
I don't
Tehsil?
know. No, I don't know about that.
Okay, I will.
Okay, that's nice. So when did you eat first time litti chokha?
First time I think in my hometown.
Oh,
My grandma
made it.
हाँ,
Okay,
made it.
where's your hometown?
Ayodhya side.
Ayodhya.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
very
Allahabad.
good. Allahabad. You are from Allahabad.
Not Allahabad,
Nearby. Allahabad.
nearby.
Okay.
Ayodhya
Nice,
and
nice,
Allahabad.
nice. From Donda?
Jila, Gonda Jila.
Gonda Jilla. That okay. That's nice. But your personality doesn't look like that. You are from the. You are Robin Singh, like a Robin personality.
Not, I don't think so. But
You are not sweet personality. You are Robin, like a dabang personality. Did you watch Dabangg movie?
No,
Salman
sir.
Khan.
No.
No.
I'm little rude.
Rude.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So, what is
I'm not calm as Poopa.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, what is your favorite color?
3.
Okay, you have three. Okay,
Yes.
tell us.
Peach,
Okay.
maroon,
Okay.
black.
Very good. Why three colors you have favorite?
One everybody favorite color is one, but I think it's made different.
You are different to others.
Yeah, I'm
Oh my-
different.
oh my
That's
God.
why.
That's
But I love not one
okay. You don't like one
one.
single color. That,
single color.
Oh my God. Nice. That's okay. So, what did you think about the marriage?
Marriage, me, your
What is your point of view about that?
marriage is good. Depend on boy
Oh, different.
who is one.
Okay. Okay. So you are a good cook also? Do you
Yes,
cook?
I'm
Okay.
good cook.
What is your favorite food? That which one you can make very delicious?
I think everything
Everything. Oh my
Yes.
God. Aloo ke paratha?
very.
Oh my
Very.
God. So are you interested, everybody? Okay. So when you are going to give us
So
treat,
क्या बोलते फूले पराठे.
I just want to ask you when you are going to give us a puffy kind of paratha.
Go garam dharam go and eat.
See, he is very clever. That she comes from the Ghaziabad. So I Garam Dharam is in Ghaziabad. So you
Mohan
visited. You visited Garam Dharam?
Yes, 6 to 10 time.
Oh my God, that she loves.
Chai and
And there is a nearby Garam Dharam. There is a ice cream man also.
Yeah.
It is very famous. It's 100
Kulfi.
years kulfi. 100
Yeah.
years old kulfi.
yes.
I forgot the name of that kulfi wala. That this is a more than 100 years old.
Sir, you know Sukhdev.
So David is in
Murthal side.
Murthal, but there is also the Garam.
But
Dharam.
garam dharam also here.
Have many way that Garam Dharam have branches.
But Murthal is famous branch.
Hmm.
But now this time हटा दिया.
Yeah, they are not giving the quality. That's the reason. Okay, nice to
Close.
talk to you. Okay, last question I can take to her. Okay, as you told us that why do you want to learn English, but what is the importance of English according to you, in your point of view?
I think English is very important because it connects us, first of all, with different peoples around the world, and not even around the world, but it is also very important for job purposes, education purpose also, and nowadays English is very important.
Okay,
Yeah.
what is your point of view, ma'am?
So you don't know very well English. Spoken English. Man judging you and face many problem in job, exam also. I think everybody spoke in English, at least not much, but few things and few sentence now in mind. I think
Just you want to say that speak.
yes, speak.
Okay. Because time is getting changed, so we have
It's
to also change.
2025
Ah,
AI time.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome.